Okay, it's May the 22nd, 2023, and the time is 6:30, and we're at the District Court of Maryland in Silver Spring. One thing about terrorists, y'all, they love to put their names on shit. Love to put their names on shit. And open up at 8 o'clock. We have a court case here. Well, we don't have no court case here. This has to do with Enterprise and the corrupt Tacoma Park saying that charged me with the disorderly conduct for filming on the sidewalk. All right, let me show you how corrupt this shit is. All right, we filed a motion for a jury trial. It started in this courthouse, and once we filed a motion for a jury trial, they shot it up to Rockville to the Circuit Court of Montgomery County, the corporation. All right. Corporation of Montgomery County judicial system dismissed the case in Rockville. Now, if you go back a couple recordings, you will see where we serve certain individuals in the state attorney's office and judges that we're going to sue them in federal court for violating my Constitution and civil rights. After we served these individuals, in retaliation, they sent it. This case, which they dismissed in the Circuit Court of Rockville, they sent it back down here to the District Court for the disorderly conduct. That's in retaliation. I just got more evidence to prove my case when we get to Greenbelt. But here we are again. And the time is about after 6:30. All right. But this shows you just how corrupt this little corporation is and how butthurt they can get. I guess they thought, well, we're going to send him back down there. We're going to give him 60 days. I came prepared to go and do 60 days and put this on my lawsuit for kidnapping and false imprisonment on this corporation called Montgomery County. And they've already lost the $62 million one. Let's see if they want to lose more. This is what they call the employee's interest. Now look, they got this little sign here, but yet and still, this is where the commissioner office is, the public defenders, parole and probation, and DDMP, whatever that is. You know, they love using alphabets. But anyway, we're down here now to go to trial from their standard on a disorderly conduct. Now, the Supreme Law says I have a right to a jury trial. I haven't waived my right at all. So we're going to see who else wants to join this lawsuit and be disbarred in this court. house. So you guys stand by. We're here at the courthouse in Silver Spring, 8552 2nd Avenue. Y'all look at this shit here. I got a squirrel right here. Look at this squirrel. But y'all look at this right here. I want y'all to see this shit. Look at here. Rome ain't going nowhere, y'all. The Romans and the Pharisees, all of them still around here. Look at this. Who office is this? Got this shit all open. Shit crazy. But y'all stand by because it's gonna be an interesting day today inside of this place here, because I have no intention of participating in a one-judge trial. I requested a jury trial, and that's what I'm gonna get. Y'all look at this shit here. No weapons, dangerous objects, cameras recording allowed. Who made that law up? No such law. This is why they make this up, so you can hide, so they can hide the criminal activities inside of these buildings. These individuals are taking your rights away from you daily. Daily. And because you citizens are turning a blind eye to this, they're getting away with it. The supreme law makes it very clear about how these systems are supposed to work. The judicial system is supposed to work. But because these individuals get away with it and do what they want to do, look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit. Get away with it in these little terrorist hideouts. But we're going to start bringing it to you, and we're going to start suing the judges, the state attorneys, the assistant state attorney, all of them, and take them up to federal court and have the real judges explain the law to them, because they don't. They make up their own little corporation laws. Look how dirty the flags are, y'all. I want y'all to see how dirty these flags are. Look at them. They don't respect the flag. These are terrorists at their finest, y'all. Because we have allowed these individuals to get away with this. But I assure you one thing. You violate my rights, I'm gonna have you in Greenbelt. And I'm gonna go into your pocketbooks and I'm gonna try to get you disbarred. I don't want your license suspended. I want you disbarred because you don't know the law. And how can you try to enforce the law when you don't know it? Listen, look at this symbol, y'all. I want y'all to look at this symbol. This symbol has nothing to do with citizens' right in the United States. So, I came today with my whites on to go do 60 days. Let's see if they're willing to kidnap me and give me this 60 days and violate my constitutional rights, which are guaranteed to me. We have filed a motion for a jury trial in this fictitious criminal activity they claim. They dismissed it. And then they brought it back after we served these individuals for a lawsuit. And here's the circuit court one. See? I want y'all to see it now. Alright, it's for the disorderly conduct. This is where I was arrested on the 14th in front of Enterprise. As you see, 222, demand request for jury trial. Summons issue. And as you see, the case was dismissed. Okay? Then they bring it back here with a whole different case in them, are thinking that that's going to suffice the jury demand. This is the corruption inside these judicial systems today. Well, make no mistake about it, we're going to Greenbelt on this. It's just the matter of who wants to go and be a defendant in it and lose their bar license. So you guys stand by. If you don't hear from me within a couple hours, that means that they kidnapped me. So stand by.